How to check for software updates and install the latest iOS update on your iPhone 8 Plus. Before starting, make sure your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi and has enough battery, or connect it to a charger. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap General. Then select Software Update. Your iPhone will check for available updates. If an update is available, you will see the latest iOS version supported by your device. My iPhone 8 Plus is already running the latest iOS version supported by this device, so I won't see a new update during this demonstration. However, you can follow the exact same steps on your iPhone to check for and install any available update. Enter your iPhone passcode if prompted, then agree to the terms and conditions to start downloading the update. Once the download is complete, your iPhone will restart and install the new software automatically. And that's it. If your iPhone supports a newer iOS version, it will be updated successfully. If, like mine, it says your iPhone is up to date, then you're already running the latest iOS version available for your iPhone 8 Plus. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and follow for more iPhone tips, tutorials, and the latest tech updates. Thanks for watching.